Assalamualaikum and good evening. My name is Muhammad FARHAN NAZIFI bin AZMAN and my metric number is A20A1518. So today I will present my part, which is introduction to the company and the type of our product. Firstly, Nike Incorporation is a well-known sportswear and equipment company in the United States. The company is based in Beaverton, Oregon, and it is in the Greater Portland metropolitan area. The Nike company has more than 30,000 of their own employees worldwide, and the company was initially established by Bill Bowman and Philip Knight on January 25, 1964, and was known as Blue Ribbon Sport. However, it was later officially renamed as Nike Incorporation in 1978. Next, Nike corporate vision statement is to become an authentic, distinctive, and connected brand. The Nike company has made this vision something that should be maintained, especially in the strategy of their global corporate organization in an effort to further develop this brand. The Nike vision has set the word remain, which means that they have considered Nike to be the most authentic, connected, and distinctive brand, especially in the category of the sports goods and equipment in the world market today. In addition, Nike Incorporation also has their own subsidiaries, namely Umbro, Converse, Hurley, and Cool Hand. It also includes Nike Bayer or Bayer Hockey, which operates retail stores and use the Nike City name. Furthermore, Nike focus their business in four main segments, which is shoes, clothing, equipment, and also global brand. However, until now, Nike has offered 9 categories of their brand, namely running, football, Nike basketball, the Jordan brand, men's training, women's training, action sport, sportswear, and also golf.
There are 4 strategies how Nike satisfy consumer needs and wants. First is focus on function of the product. Most companies prefer to produce product but less efficient in terms of actual functionality. But if Nike want to produce running shoes, they will study and do R&D the effectiveness of the shoes produced for running. Every aspect of the balance between lightness, comfort, and affordability will be emphasized to meet the satisfaction of its user. It also do innovation of all their product to keep their consumer always satisfied when wearing their brand. Next is create emotion for their consumers. The following priority is the emotion by product instilled in Nike consumers. When they can run fast and comfortability, it will give the feel of happier with the chosen brand. Nike instill customers trust by manufacturing trainers that look as good as they feel. Third is give life impact to the users of their product. Provide a sophisticated platform aimed at improving the life of their customers in general. Nike has created an application known as Nike Plus. They also encourage their loyal customers to create an account and join the app for free to build a community between Nike users. This builds a stronger bond between customer and Nike, also more importantly to keep them coming back. Last strategy of Nike to satisfy consumer needs and wants is with give cultural impact. The broader social-cultural dynamic is arguably the most important aspect of Nike's customer orientation. Furthermore, Nike users demonstrate a high social responsibility towards its user. Nike has highlighted a number of concerns, including trade, human rights violation, and even corruption. Nike has made some bold social statements in addition to environmental sustainable change. Nike has created a number of advertisements that address and support Black Lives Matter, women's rights, female athletes, and other causes.
Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. My name is NURLIYANA Binti ASSRI. My metric number is A20A1834. I will present about strategies to target and connect with potential consumers. Nike has employed a variety of methods on numerous social media platforms, including TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, and others, to target and interact with potential consumers. Every year, Nike releases new concepts and leads the way for their industry. Nike had just established a new concept store in Los Angeles. Nike has a strong marketing plan in place, utilizing analytics from the Nike app, the new shop performs assessment of consumer behavior in the neighborhood. Nike is putting its efforts into transforming into a data-driven, direct-to-consumer brand. The Nike brand is then recognized for its high premium pricing. Customers aren't concerned about this problem since Nike positions its good in a way that highlights their advantage. The company is known for producing long-lasting, high-quality items that are designed with the consumers in mind. In order to influence consumer and build an emotional bond between them and Nike, Nike has embraced emotional branding. Following that, Nike's campaign was incredibly helpful. Even with different demographic and psychographics, Nike's marketing strategies are meticulously crafted to directly target a certain set of individuals. The age range of Nike's target market is between 15 to 40 years old. The brand mostly appeals to teenagers who idolize well-known and accomplished athletes. To increase its appeal among the younger generation, Nike also markets to the middle-aged market. Last but not least, Nike used plays as a marketing tactic to identify and engage with potential consumers. They have a sizable internet following and flagship stores in certain nations. Nike intentionally placed its retail locations in regions where shoppers may easily locate in merchandise. Most customers want to experience product before they buy them. A physical store can be useful for them, but some customers also want to avoid waiting in lines. As a result, online retailers like Amazon, Flipkart, and more, as well as the online Nike store, have emerged. Online retailers will always be the preferred choice for consumers who like to purchase from the convenience of their homes.
My name is YUEN and my matrix number is A20A1303. I'm going to talk about the strategies to attract and retain consumers. First, customers that are loyal to the business get access to everything the business has to offer. They can shop exclusive member-only offerings and get items before they go on sale. The product is not easily accessible to everyone due to its exclusivity. The business can charge more for its product than others and still make a lot of money if it can back it up with quality. Second, a pleasantly surprising customers with a warm greeting on their birthday to make them feel special and loved. It may also usually entail offering them exceptional discounts on items they may have wished. Then, always connects member mobile applications, even when they are shopping in a store, is one of its attractive benefits. A great way to keep the customers coming back is to make it simple to access all activities, integrate them, track points, and provide rewards as needed. When making an in-store purchase, customers can have their loyalty profiles scanned. Lastly, a customer's expanded network of family and friends has much more power than ever to hear their expectations and opinions. As a result, business must improve the customer's experience by being more proactive and responsive, consistently delivering on brand promises, and listening to consumers and acting upon consumer feedback. Customers favor doing business with companies who have earned their trust.
Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is Zahirah bin Zainudin. My matrix number is 820-82093 and I will present about factors that influence consumer buying decision and its challenge. The way consumers react to items is influenced by both their unique qualities and reliability issue. Nike main concept relates to client retention by offering characteristics of a top-notch. Customers frequently favor premium brands and pay less attention to an item pricing. Next, an observation can determine a consumer response and obtain exact information about their taste for selection that reflect on their brand's awareness. The majority of purchases made by customers are based on accurate data that is accurate from several resources. The customer's primary goal is to examine the brand's quality feature. Through emotional clues, the buyer may be persuaded to revalidate their decision to purchase name brands. Other than that, authenticity and customer certification in athlete shoes influence customer unfavorable opinion about the developed relationship with loyal clients. Nike marketing methods are built around keeping customer happy and inspired to buy its branded goods. Nike primarily concentrate on producing closed-loop sport shoes, which are beneficial for players and enjoyable for customers. Lastly, Nike website present a challenge in terms of consumer behavior. They may publish information about planning and project, seeking advice and promote ideas with their colleagues. Nike has provided its consumer a purpose to communicate with Nike and their accountants on their webpage by visiting it regularly. Nike receives valuable information about its customers' demand by engaging in a two-way communication with them. Thank you.
Next, I will continue my presentation with the suggestion and conclusion part. For the suggestion, firstly, Nike can carry out mutually beneficial cooperation with other parties. The relationship of famous brands such as Nike with modern technology leads to the creation of the new device and application as a result of the collaboration with other large manufacturers. For example, Nike can collaborate with digital market companies in producing their new digital product innovation. The pace of digital technology will never stop, and this is why it is important for Nike to collaborate with digital companies. This also can be used as a starting point to become a sporting goods manufacturer that is also able to produce and distribute digital products to the global market. Secondly, Nike company also need to focus on the needs of their own users. Direct contact, especially through the internet, can be done by listening to the user hub. Creating an attractive website or blog will further enhance the brand within their target market. Therefore, Nike first need to study and understand the needs of their user. Furthermore, when customers can achieve all their own goals, it indirectly also helps company in achieving their own organization goals. Next, for the conclusion, Nike is a world-leading brand in sport equipment and supply that also focus on product innovation and marketing to achieve sustainable product growth. A good marketing ability has become a leap to its superiority over other competitors. Nevertheless, the pressure of competition between brands has increased. To maintain this reputation, Nike needs to maintain focus on innovation and marketing of their product. If the Nike company fully applies the concept of digitalization, it is not impossible that this brand will continue to remain relevant throughout the age and grow better over the time. Overall, Nike outlook is positive and bright.